To make the best air fryer roast potatoes, add 1 tablespoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of baking soda to a large pot of water. Add the potato chunks, then bring them to a boil. Once the water is boiling, let the potatoes cook until a knife goes through them easily. Mine took about 10 minutes, but start checking a little earlier so they stay in good chunks and do not break apart. While the potatoes are draining in the sieve, let's make the garlic rosemary oil. I've got some fresh rosemary here, so I'm just going to chop it up nice and small. If you only have dried rosemary, that works too. Now, add 5 tablespoons of light olive oil to a pan and keep the heat around medium. Add the chopped rosemary, then crush in 3 cloves of garlic. Fry everything gently for a few minutes, stirring now and then so the garlic cooks evenly. You want the garlic to turn lightly brown but not dark, because burnt garlic can make the oil taste bitter. Pour the garlic rosemary oil through a strainer into a bowl. Keep the garlic and rosemary bits to one side because we'll add them to the potatoes at the end. Now, add the potatoes to the bowl with the oil, then season them with a pinch of Himalayan pink salt and a good bit of black pepper, depending on how much seasoning you like on your roast potatoes. Give them a quick mix just to get everything coated with the seasoning. Now add the potatoes to the air fryer basket, spreading the potato pieces out as much as your basket allows so the edges can crisp up. Air fry the roast potatoes at 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 to 25 minutes, depending on your air fryer and how golden you want the potatoes. Now, once the potatoes are golden and crispy, tip them back into a bowl. Add the garlic and rosemary bits we saved earlier, along with a little chopped parsley if you have it. Give everything one last toss, then taste and add a bit more salt or pepper if it needs it. These air fryer roast potatoes come out golden and crunchy on the outside, soft and fluffy in the middle, with warm garlic rosemary flavor all over them. If you like making roast potatoes in the air fryer, check out these air fryer recipes here also.